Hi, I'm Ms. Gabas of the HB Orchestra doing a tutorial on viola for the E natural minor scale. We're going to go ahead and start on the E note on the C string. That's going to be your lowest note. See if you can see that right here. E. It's going to start E, F sharp, that's a high third finger. The tapes I know are kind of hard to see, but that is a high third finger, not BFFs, but a whole step. So it's going to be E, F sharp, open G, A, B, C natural, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C natural, D, fourth finger E. To go backwards, it's going to go E, D, C natural, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E. Hopefully that helps you out. Like, comment, subscribe, comments, questions, concerns, all that good stuff. Again, hopefully it helps, and let me know what you think.